In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a facial exfoliator that's great for all skin types. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 2 tablespoons of almond or oat flour, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of green tea, and 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. To make your mask, you'll just mix all of your ingredients together into a bowl. And this mask is really great for all skin types because the exfoliators that we use are really gentle. So they're not going to be too harsh on sensitive skin or dry skin. They're really great for all skin types, and the honey and oil give it a really nice hydrating component without being too heavy for oily skin. To use this mask, you can apply it to freshly washed skin and massage it in for 1 to 3 minutes. And you can also leave it on after massaging it into your skin for another 10 to 15 minutes because it will double as a great face mask. To mix everything together, we found it easier to use a fork to mash it up and then use a spoon just to give it one final mix. And then you can transfer your scrub into a container and it will last for up to 1 month. And that's how you make your facial exfoliator.